Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Keesha Kaylee here, and I'm super excited. Y'all already know what to expect when y'all see my hair like this with a straight back braids. Your girl literally just got her hair freshly washed and braided today, so I'm all ready for this new wig installation. So I want to go ahead and thank 𝐻 Hair for sending over this wig. I had to take a peek at the wig, y'all, because I was like, please give me a wig that's going to be perfect and versatile for these next few days of vacationing. The last thing I want is to be inconvenienced with my hair, and they did not disappoint, because I already could tell before I even took the wig out of the packaging. I could already tell y'all how amazing this quality is. So I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. Let's go ahead and get right into the wig. This is literally all I was able to see, and I was like, okay. I don't know if it's translating through the camera. Ooh, wait a minute. This is longer than I thought. This is much longer than I thought. Okay, but before we go ahead and get into the fun part of looking at this wig, let's see all of the goodies. So they sent over these lashes, so thank you for this. Of course, a wig cap. Y'all, I've been wearing the glueless so much lately. I haven't honestly been putting on my wig cap. Do I need to be putting on a wig cap if I'm wearing a wig glueless? I guess it's based off of your preference, but for me, I kind of just been throwing a wig on. I don't know if I'm doing it right or doing it wrong. I do oil my scalp, and when I come home, I take my wig off immediately and put on a silk bonnet or silk scarf or something like that. Oh my gosh, is this an extra? Y'all, is this an extra insert? Y'all, they were not playing. I've never received all of this. So it has the comb action going on, and then it has, oh y'all, look at this. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on, I'm dropping stuff, y'all. So they actually have a whole nother, I don't know if this is for me to try my luck with sewing some hair onto this, y'all, or order me some bundles from their site. But thank you so much for this, because I've never had one of these sit. And this is pretty much the dome cap with the lace attached for you to add for bundle installation. So thank you, 𝐻 Hair. And what else? Of course, the wig band. Y'all need that. Let me get this light out of the frame. But yeah, so the wig band. So this is 180% density. I don't know why I thought this was going to be a little shorter. I feel like I was talking to another company, and maybe that's what it was. But y'all, this is long as long to be. So let's go ahead and get up. I closed it. I meant to open it. Let's go ahead and check her out. Da, 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 da. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, this is so pretty. This is super pretty. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It has the band that's perfect, adjustable right here like so. It's actually adjustable on both sides, and then it also has, oh, okay, hold on, let me get this part off. It has the comb for the back of the hair, and then it has combs for the side of the hair. So y'all already know what we're about to do. We're about to put her on straight out the box. We're gonna put her on straight out the box. Let me get my powder and stuff out. I don't have any makeup on my face, so here is my powder brush. Hey guys, I cannot find my powder for the life of me. I'm gonna have to figure it out. So I just had to do a little finessing with it. We're gonna just have to see what this is gonna turn out like, y'all, but I'm pretty sure I should be okay. It's already pre-tinted, so that's a bonus, but of course you always want to make sure you blend it to make it as natural as possible when you put it on your head. So I'm gonna just throw this wig on. Oh, okay. Okay, I think my finessing worked. I think my finessing worked all the way. Let me tighten it up. I think we are good to go, honey. I was a little worried, but I think we're good to go. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do, because these are some really tight curls, is I'm going to get this ready as if I'm going out right now, which I actually am, with the wig. And all I'm going to do is add in some water like I typically do. Since it's already pre-parted, that's one step we don't have to worry about. But of course, y'all already know we can part in whatever direction we need to. So I'm going to kind of get up out my seat so y'all can see the hair in its entirety. So I haven't done this side whatsoever. And I'm going to take some of this new Cantu Define and Shine Custard. Can y'all see that? Yes. The kids are not disappointing at all. They're loud as I don't know what. Baby, mommy's working. Go play with your sisters, okay? So I'm going to add this product in like this. And I'm going to run my fingers through it like so to see. So this wig, as y'all can already see, is much tighter than my previous curly wigs. Then I'm gonna actually take my I want to say it's the unbrush, but I got it from Temu, so I didn't get it off that TikTok with the unbrush promo people. But let's see. So it's brushing through, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to tease the hair so it can have that curl pattern. I'm probably gonna have to stand y'all up on my other tripod, which is in the car. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to get myself situated with the tripod. But okay, so what I'm doing now, I am literally just, as you all can see, spraying the entire side of this wig. I always like to do a compare and contrast of the hair being manipulated versus straight out of the box, so people can really see. Because eventually I do like to just wear the hair a little fluffier, but it also could depend on a variety of things. It can depend on where I'm going. It can also depend on what I'm wearing, and it can just also depend on my flexibility. Sometimes I have a little bit more time to sit down and do this. Now, most of the time when I am doing this, I literally, y'all, it's much faster than this, because I'm giving y'all a more detailed view of this wig. Then I'm going to sit here and take my time and, you know, give y'all the full work. But typically, I'm not even going to lie, as soon as I'm done with my makeup, I put that wig on my head, get to spraying, put that product in my hand, rub it through, brush it a couple of times, and I'm out the door. It's literally giving scalp. Like, to be honest, hold on, I think there's a piece of hair stuck. Okay, there we go. When there's a piece of hair stuck, you can sometimes see, but you can literally spray, y'all. And I may need to add just a little more of the powder right there. But do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Super pretty. This is super pretty. So now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do the entire head. Y'all make sure y'all take a good picture of what it looks like in the natural state. Nice, big, fluffy out the box. Okay guys, so I did do the exact same steps for my left side of my head that I did for my right, and then I just waited about 30 minutes so we can really see what it's giving. And it's definitely giving, y'all. I absolutely love this curl pattern. Like, it's super freaking pretty. The fact that I can literally snatch this wig off in a heartbeat with literally no issues whatsoever. It's not like poofed up at the end. Y'all can see, let me move this chair out the way so y'all can really see. It's not poofed up at the end. My hair is just still holding and maintaining the curls. Extremely, extremely pretty. So I would definitely say that this hair company is a 10 out of 10. So if you love this wig and you know what I'm talking about, if you love this wig, then go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know why you love this wig, or have you tried this company out before. If you're interested in trying them out and using my coupon to get you some money off of any product on their website, then go ahead and head over to my description box and click the link. I also have the coupon code, the style of wig that I'm wearing, and all the other pertinent details that you guys need to know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.